Store and put the name of the app. Here it is. Now you have to click on install. And here you can see the app has been installed. And you have to now click on open. Open the app. Here you'll get a list of languages that are available. Here you can say English, Hindi, Gujarati and many more. You have to choose a language of your choice. I choose English. Next. Here you can see that there has been put an information about how to install the app and how to use it. You can also share it to your friends and family. To swipe right and the last page you see is about register now. You have to click in this to register yourself. Once you click on register now, you'll get an information about app permission. Here you have device location, Bluetooth and data sharing. You have to agree with this. Now you have to put your mobile number to get an OTP. Once you get the OTP, you can log in anytime. Once you enter your mobile number and you get an OTP, later you get this page where it is personal details, what is your gender. So right, okay, full name, you have to put the full name. If you don't have your profession over here, if you're a student, you have to choose none of the above. Now you will get an option to select from the countries. Here you have the list of the countries. If you have traveled, you can select one, and if you haven't, just select none. Next, ready to volunteer in the time of need. Here, so I'll put yes. Confirm submission, submit. So here you can see they have put an question that are you feeling well. So here is a self-assessment test. By completing this, they will show you that you are safe or not by the COVID-19 virus. So you have to complete this test. So I'm selecting yes. Take 20 seconds of assessment test. See, you can see this. So we will do this now. Okay, got it. So by clicking on OK, got it, here you will get an information. You can read this, please note the information. So here you have to select that if you are having any of this, cough, fever, difficult in breathing, or none of the above. So I am choosing none of the above. Have you ever had any of the following? Here you have to choose it rightly, that if you have any of the disease in earlier times or right now or currently. So there are diabetes, hypertension, lung disease, heart disease, none of the above. So I am choosing none of the above. Have you traveled anywhere internationally in the last 14 days? So here you have to put your traveling details. It has to be genuine so that they can track and they can identify that you are safe or not in your particular area. So I put no. Later, which of the following apply to you? Here or none of the above. So here you have to choose. I am choosing none of the above. So here you can see they have put me that my risk of COVID-19 is literally low, and I have passed my self-assessment test. So now you have to just click on OK. So once you're done with the self-assessment test, here you will see the home page where they have put your status about you are safe or not. So here the person is safe. Here you can see that they are fetching nearby COVID-19 cases. Also see call helpline in cases. So later we can see COVID-19 updates. So here is the confirmed update list. Here you will get updated list each and every day across India and also according to the states. So this is all about the app. Here you also see things to do next. Maintain social distancing, take self-assessment test. You can again take self-assessment test here by clicking on access again. Check app regularly for updates. Check app regularly for COVID-19 updates. And also you can see here how to maintain social distance.